Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to know about a very important topic, not only on the basis of your interview purpose but also whenever you will start your developer work, that time you are going to use syntax from this topic. So don't forget to watch till end and please be with me so you will know about this topic from starting to ending, and whatever I will taught, that is enough to join any organization as a fresher. Okay, so already I have told you this is the Java tutorial for beginners, and here we are going to know about we are going to prepare our Java developer journey on the basis of interview purpose and also on the basis of starting as a developer. Okay, so let's start, and first of all I will tell you, like, we have discussed many important topics. If you have not watched, please go and watch them, because these all are the important topics and related to your interview purpose and your programming programming concepts. Okay, so first of all we are going to start about this topic through PPT, and then we are going to understand this topic through programming also. Okay, programming syntax. So let's see about this topic, and this topic is linked list. Okay, so first of all we will know about the linked list. If you are following my videos from starting, then you will already know that what is linked list. Okay, we can understand easily, otherwise don't worry, we are going to know about this from scratch in this topic also. Okay, in this video also. So you can see here, linked list class is a collection which can contain many objects of the same type, just like array list. Okay, so if you have studied the array list, easily you can handle the linked list also, because the whatever method we have used in array list, same methods objects we are going to use in linked list also, because they both are performing the same thing. Okay, and if you know the what is the array list, like in array list also we are starting our index from 0. Here also we are going to start our index from 0, because why I am just making similarity between them, so you can understand them easily and it will be easy for you to remember also. Okay, because interviewer are going to ask to you question from this, and they just only want to know you have idea about this or not, because after whenever they will understand that you know the technical things, they will give you the training. So don't worry about this thing, and no need to go deep also, just understand the basics of the things, and it will be easy for you to crack the interview also. Okay, so this is the part of the, and let me tell you from the collection word, like this is the part of the collection framework. Collection is a framework from which we are going to make our projects. Okay, so this is the part of collection framework. Okay, and the both things are related to each other, like array list and linked list, because same method and same bodies we are going to use here also. Okay, the syntax will be look little different, but the objects we are going to make in the same way, and whatever method we are going to use here, that will be also same here. Okay, so the linked list class has all of the same methods as the array list class, because they both implement the list interface. Okay, and this means that you can add items, change items, remove items, and clear the list in the same way. Okay, so here also we are going to handle with this list interface, and in list interface, you know what are the what is list interface. Like list interface, data are stored in the index format. Okay, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and this data can be type of anything, like integer type data, string type data, double type data, and many more things. Whatever data type you know, there are 8 type of data type we have discussed in our starting, so I'm not going deep in this. If you know the data types like integer type, string type, that's enough. Okay, so as per this one we are going to write the syntax. If our integer type data, okay, so on the basis of integer type we are going to write the syntax. What is the next in this? Okay, linked list, when to use an array list for storing, okay, and accessing data, and the linked list to manipulate the data. Whenever you are going to store the data, access the data, you are going to use the array list, because if you will don't know, then when we are going to use array list and linked list, that will be very confusion for you. So just remember, whenever you want to store data, whenever you want to access the data, that time you are going to use the array list, and whenever you are going to manipulate the data, okay, that time you are going to use the linked list. Manipulate in the sense you are going to change the data. Okay, so that time you are going to use the linked list. So let me explain these things through programming also. Okay, so let's come to the program, and in program you can see here, like see how we have written the basic syntax. Okay, linked list, okay, string animals equal to new linked list. So this is our basic syntax, and let's understand this very little closely. Okay, so if you are using string type data, you need to write here string. Okay, if you are using integer type data, you need to pass here int. if you are using double type or whatever you are using, you need to pass the data type here. Okay, then linked list, then your name of the linked list. Okay, so I am using here animal, and if you wish to write here bike, if you want to write here car, you can write car also, you can write the employee name also, anything. Okay, so I have used in that way, like creating linked list. So this way, first of all, you need to create the linked list. Okay, this is the way to create the linked list. Linked list is string animals equal to new linked list. This is the name you are going to define, and here also you are going to write your data type. Okay, and now if you want to add the data in your linked list, how will you add? Like animals dot add dog, animals dot add cat, means what are the data you want to go add, you need to write in that way, your linked list name dot add and dog, cat, whatever you want. So let's understand some more things about this. I already told you that here also the index format is going through 0, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Okay, like that way. In array list also in the same way going, in linked list also the same way going. Okay, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here also no need to define the size of the linked list, because automatic the size will increase. It's work dynamically. Okay, whenever you are going to work as a developer, okay, like you are going to, most of the things you are going to define dynamically, not statically. Okay, so this is the way to write the linked list, this is the way to add the data in the linked list. Okay, and here you are going to print, so simply system.out.println and write your linked list name. If you want to add data at the particular index value, okay, so already I told you that here also index will work as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to add the data at the first place, okay, you need to write add one horse, like add one first place name, and the whatever name you are going to add, you need to write the name here, and you can print the name. If you want to remove data also, simply your linked list name dot remove, and which data you want to remove, you need to write their place value name, and it automatic it will remove the data. So let's understand this one through output also. Okay, so here you can see, like first of all we are printing dog, cat, cow, like line number 11, 12, 13 we have add the value dog, cat, cow, and 14 we are printing. Okay, so dog, cat, cow is added here. If I want to add the like horse name at first place, so here you can see 0th place is dog, first place is cow, so we are going to add horse at the first place. So 0th place will be dog and first place will come as a horse. Okay, in line number you can see we are 17 we are adding, and 18 we are printing. So you can see here dog came here, then horse came, then cat, and then cow, and after that you are removing one value, okay, from second. So you can see which is your second place, this is the 0th, this is the first, and this is the second. So second is the cat, sorry. So you are going to remove the cat. So how you can remove the cat? Animals dot remove, and second you have right here, and here you are printing. So you can see here dog, horse, and cat is already removed, and cow is came to at the cat place. Okay, so this is the all things about the linked list. So this is enough to know, and just if you have not understand, please watch it again. This is very easy topic, okay, and if you know the array list, so you can know the linked list also, and these are the related things. So if you will read these things together, you can remember for long time also. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. So that's all for today's video. Take care, bye bye.